So hi, my name is Shweta Yadav. In this video, I am going to demonstrate my command line tool to fetch the research paper for PubMed. So based on the user query and filter them, okay, for non-academic authors affiliated with the pharmaceutical or biopharmaceutical companies. Okay. Now about this project is built using the Python and poetry for dependency management and click for the command line interfaces. It uses Biopython enters API to interact with the PubMed. Okay, the tool used for PubMed query syntax and allow the exporting for the CSV file. It allows the CSV file. Okay, now I'll show how to run for the run for first activate the environment variable, then on bash command in terminal go and type poetry run, get the paper list COVID vaccine or some Alzheimer what we say Alzheimer treatment, and and is a result.csv a CSV file. Then it will start creating, as shown in the video. It started creating the CSV file, and then when it is creating a CSV file, we can look into the project where I have created a CLI file, and then inside the CLI file we have a main.py, and these are the queries inside the main.py. Whereas next I created the in PubMed fetchers inside the file. That file we have a get paper list. Whatever the paper list we have created there, we have to get it. And then inside the paper list we have a two things, fetcher does by and util.py, which help us to fetch the requirement. In util.py we have two company keywords, like first is company keyword and then academic keyword, inside which we'll be giving some keywords which is will be helping to retrieve the data. And here the result came, and we fetch the we can see the in CSV file we can see all this data's been fetched as per the requirement. Like first is id, pub id, then title, what is the title, and then what is the publication date we can see there, and non-academic author, whether it is academic author or non-academic author, and then we have a company affiliated with, what are the company which is related to this things will be in CSV file.